Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Walaikum salam.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Yeah.
And
I
Eid Mubarak to Imran Khan.
Oh, you know Imran Khan?
I know of him. He used to play cricket here.
Yeah. You like Imran
I
Khan?
like Imran Khan.
Yeah.
Eid Mubarak to Imran Khan.
Yeah.
From all of us in London, we love you.
You love Imran Khan?
May Allah take you out of jail and put you back in charge
Yeah.
of Pakistan.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
And what think about Imran Khan? He is released after Eid or no?
After?
Eid?
After Eid.
Yeah, released from jail.
Yes.
Imran Khan or not? What think about Imran
I
Khan?
want him to be released from jail.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's straightforward, he's honest.
Yeah.
And he wants what's best for the country.
Best for country, yeah. And you are from which country?
Somalia.
Oh, Somalia.
Yeah.
Somali people also like Imran Khan.
All of us like Imran Khan.
All of like.
Yeah.
Oh, you are also cricketer.
Huh?
You are also play cricket.
I used to play cricket. I don't play cricket anymore. But Imran Khan was the best cricket player in the world when he was playing for London.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah.
So all the best. Eid Mubarak to all you brothers and sisters in Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.